In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to purchase and install the InvestSoft Trade Manager for MetaTrader 5. We'll start with the purchase, then move on to installation, and finally launch the tool on the chart. Go to investsoft.eu website, where you can find full information about the Trade Manager for both MT4 and MT5. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is where the purchase section is located. Here you choose the platform version. In our case, we select MetaTrader 5. You'll also see two license options. The first one is a 3-month access. This is a good choice if you want to test the tool. The second option is a lifetime license. This is a one-time purchase and gives you unlimited access, so it's better if you plan to use the tool regularly. Now we select the 3-month MT5 option and click the purchase button. You'll be redirected to the MQL5 website, which is the official marketplace used to handle licensing and installations. If you don't have an account on MQL5, you'll need to create one. This is required because your purchase is linked to your MQL5 account. If you already have an account, simply log in and continue. Choose your payment method, complete the required details, and finalize the purchase. Once the purchase is complete, we move on to installation. Even though there is an installation option on the website, the best and most reliable way is to install the tool directly inside the MetaTrader 5 platform. Open MetaTrader 5. Before accessing your purchases, you need to log in to your MQL5 account inside the platform. Go to Tools, then Options, and open the Community tab. Enter your MQL5 login and password and click OK. This step is necessary so MetaTrader can detect and download your purchase products. Now go to the Navigator window, expand Market and select My Purchases. Here you'll see all products connected to your account. Find Forex Trade Manager MT5 and click Install. MetaTrader will now download and install the tool automatically. After installation, the Trade Manager will appear in the Navigator under Expert Advisors, inside the Market section. Before launching the Trade Manager, we need to prepare the platform. Even though trades are placed manually, Trade Manager uses MetaTrader's algorithmic engine, so algo trading must be enabled. If it's off, click the button on the top toolbar. It should show a green triangle. Then go to Tools, Options, and open the Expert Advisors tab. Make sure Allow Algorithmic Trading is enabled. Also uncheck all options that could automatically disable it, for example, after changing accounts or restarting the platform. This prevents situations where the tool suddenly stops working. Click OK to confirm. At this point, it's a good idea to restart the platform to make sure all settings are applied correctly. After restarting, go back to the Navigator. Open Expert Advisors, then Market. Find Forex Trade Manager MT5 and drag it onto the chart. A setup window will appear. In the Common tab, make sure Allow Algo Trading is enabled. This allows the tool to execute trades. You can also go to the Inputs tab to configure the settings. All parameters are described in the user manual, but for now you can leave everything as default. Click OK. The Trade Manager panel will now appear on the chart and is ready to use. If the panel looks too small or hard to read, you can easily adjust its size. Double-click the Trade Manager icon or press F7 to open settings. In the Inputs tab, in the Panel section, find the panel zoom parameter. You can adjust it from 80% up to 250%. For example, set it to 150% and click OK. The panel will instantly scale and become more readable. If you run into any issues or have questions, you can always contact our support team. You'll find the contact link in the video description.